Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to replace Cadillac key fob, only way. Begin by sitting in the driver's seat with all doors closed and both keys nearby. Locate the ignition and power on without starting the engine to enter programming mode. Follow the button sequence on the existing fob to trigger the vehicle to accept a new device. Keep the new fob within a few inches until the confirmation chime confirms success. Gather your tools and new fob before starting so you avoid interruptions and lost programming steps. Confirm the replacement part number matches the original to prevent incompatibility issues. Ensure the vehicle battery reads healthy and the key battery is fresh to avoid failed programming attempts. Keep both the original and new fobs in hand throughout the sequence so the car can detect and register the new device without delays or extra trips to the dealer. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like to support more practical car tips. Quick recommendation: make meal prep easy with leak-proof containers that keep your lunch from spilling on your consoles while you tinker. They stack, lock, and save cleanup time so you can focus on programming your fob. Check the description for the link and other deals, and if that sounds useful, grab one for the garage. Now let's get back to the video. Start by turning the ignition to accessory and immediately press the lock, then unlock buttons on the original fob for the required interval. Wait for the car to flash lights or chime, then within 10 seconds press a button on the new fob until the confirmation tone sounds. If programming fails, cycle the ignition off and repeat the sequence 2 more times before considering professional help. Test locks, remote start, and trunk release to verify full functionality.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.